She's going like this.
Oh.
You're going so fast.
Oh, I don't think Brianna should ever wear a dress that isn't full and fluffy.
Are you a princess, Brianna? You're a princess.
Flipping it
You
around.
want to try your dress on? Come on now, let's go get your dress on. Go with Auntie Tasha. Come on. Come on with Auntie Tasha. Okay, don't go with Auntie Tasha. Oh, good. Look, Alice.
Here, can you wipe her face? Like, get a wet wipe. I have one on the couch. That's alright. She'll pause
You
it.
can go.
Are you going to put a button on the outside of this?